Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart Ads with Rayhan. Today's topic is Google Ads location targeting, a feature that can make or break your campaign success. Let's dive in and learn how to reach the right people in the right place without wasting your budget. Location targeting in Google Ads allow you to show your ads to people in a specific geographic area, its country, city, or even a custom radius. This means you can choose where your ads will appear and how will see them based on physical location or interest in that location, targeting international buyers or local customers. Location targeting helps you stay relevant and reduce waste spent. Google Ads dashboard, location, enter another location, advanced search, locations, include 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 but exclude the ad will not show. Not show this ad location. Save. Advanced search. Add location in bulk. Type all location. Search. Target all or another target, save. Or radius. Zip code, include 20 miles or kilometers. Include pin mode. If you want to target nearby location, include save. Google Ads campaign location options including presence or interest. Presence Google recommended, but Google's recommended cannot be accepted because it is a business of Google. If you give it, you will see irrelevant traffic coming in, then our budget will be wasted. Choose the method based on your campaign goal maximum time. Presence for local business, use presence, and for travel or service, use presence or interest, or both. And that's a warmth on Google Ads location targeting. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Smart Ads with Rayhan for more Google Ads tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.